Okay, here we have problem number 8. It's a similar problem. We have to just look at the whether this improper integral is convergent, divergent, or and if it's convergent, we have to find the number, the area. So this is going to, let me rewrite this by using a limit. So let's do the limit as b approaches to infinity, integral b1, and then 1 over 2x plus 1 cubed dx. What I'll do is I'll first evaluate this here. So I need to use u substitution. So I'm just basically finding the antiderivative of this function here. So let's just use u equals to 2x plus 1, and du is equal to 2 dx. We don't have a 2, but we can always get in a 2. We can insert a 2 here. And then we can't just do that without changing the value, so we have to multiply by 1/2, which these two cancel, so it's the same thing. So this is just the limit as b approaches to infinity of 1/2 times integral b. So b is going to just become 2b plus 1 because we have now in the u world, so 2b plus 1. And then 1 is going to become 3. So it's 1 times 2 plus 1 is 3. This is just going to become 1 over, so this is kind of tedious here, but it's just going to become 1 over u cubed. And then 2 dx is going to become du. Okay, this is going to be the limit as b approaches to infinity, 1/2 integral 2b plus 1. Let me write this like this, 2b plus 1, like that, 3, and then u to the negative third power du. This is just equal to the limit as b approaches to infinity. This is 1/2 multiplied by u to the negative 3 plus 1 over u to the over negative 3 plus 1. So u to the negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2 by negative 2. Evaluate at 2b plus 1 and at 3. So this is going to be, let me continue my work up here. Limit b approaches infinity. This is 1/2 times, so u to the negative 2, that's just 2b plus 1 to the negative second power, 2b plus 1 raised to the negative 2 over negative 2 minus 3 raised to negative 2 power, so 3 raised to negative 2 all over negative 2. Remember, this negative can go anywhere, so this becomes positive. This is the limit as b approaches infinity. 1/2 times, let me rewrite this here, so bring it down. So this is just going to be 1 over negative 2 times 2b plus 1 quantity squared. I'm not going to expand this or anything because we don't really have to do that. And then this is going to be plus, this is just going to be some number. It's going to be a constant. Okay, 3 to the negative 2 is 1 over 3 squared, which is 3 squared is 9. 9 times 2 is 18, so it's 1/18. Okay, that was off the screen a little. So this just becomes, let me simplify this, so limit as b approaches to infinity of 1 over negative 4 2b plus 1 squared plus 1/2, so 1 over 18 times 2 is 36. We can, so I should actually use the bracket here. This is just equal to, so limit, I can split this up, limit as b approaches to infinity. And you could obviously do this in your head. You don't have to write this out. I'm writing it out because I want to show all the steps. So this is going to be equal to negative 1/4. I'm bringing that out. Limit as b approaches to infinity of 1 over 2b plus 1 quantity squared. And then that, and then plus the limit as b approaches to infinity of the constant 1 over 36. So here in the bottom, what's going to happen is it's just going to become, so infinity times 2 is infinity plus 1, infinity squared is infinity, 1 over infinity. Bottom gets larger and larger and larger. This approaches 0, so this is just going to be negative 1/4 times 0 plus, and then this is just 1 over 36. Okay, and so this is actually just quite beautiful. This is 0 plus 1 over 36, which, guess what, is 1 over 36. And that is the area. So it's convergent. Let me box this in. So this is convergent. And we are done. All right. Hope you found this video helpful.